Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Kalachakra Star 59. Today, 24th of April 2025, we landed in Beijing, the capital of China, at 3:30 p.m. and thereafter we proceeded straight to see the Beijing's Olympic Stadium called Bird's Nest, as it is constructed in the shape of the nest of a bird. Here you can watch our group members walking towards the Olympic Stadium Bird's Nest. Now let me brief you something about China. China is the land of the dragon. China's association with the dragon is deeply embedded in its history, culture, and mythology. Unlike the fire breathing and destructive dragons of Western lore, Chinese dragon represents auspicious qualities like good luck, strength, health, and prosperity. The dragon is also a potent symbol of imperial power historically associated with the Chinese emperors who were believed to be of dragon descent. Chinese dragons are often depicted controlling wind, rain, and floods, highlighting their role as guardians of natural forces. This association with water has made them symbols of fertility and agriculture, essential for China's agrarian society throughout history. While the dragon is a symbol of China, the addition of red to its moniker has another significant layer of meaning. The term red dragon is often attributed to China's communist identity. Red is the primary color of the Chinese flag, which aligns with communist ideology. However, even before the communist revolution, red was traditionally a color associated with the Chinese emperors, further emphasizing the historical significance of this hue in the country's symbolism. The color red in China also symbolizes good fortune and happiness, making it a positive and powerful color within the Chinese cultural context. Well, so much for the Chinese dragon. Now, let us familiarize ourselves with some facts of the present day China, known as the People's Republic of China (PRC), a country in East Asia. With a population exceeding 1.4 billion, it is the second most populous country after India, representing 17.4% of the world population. China is the second largest country by land area. Beijing is the country's capital, while Shanghai is its most populous city by urban area and largest financial center. To drive home a comparison, we can say that Beijing is like our Delhi, the center of China's political power, and Shanghai is like Mumbai, China's financial capital. China is considered one of the 6 cradles of civilization, while the other 5 where civilizations first emerged are modern day Iraq, Egypt, India, Peru, and Mexico, beginning approximately between 4000 and 3000 BC. What you see here is the bird's nest, the Olympic Stadium designed uniquely like the nest of a bird, which is located in the Beijing Olympic Park. Its cover shell is the world's largest steel structure, forming part of the most complex Olympic stadium ever constructed, and it covers an area of 204,000 square meters with 91,000 capacity. The opening and closing ceremonies for the 2022 Beijing Winter Olympics were held here. Well, coming back to China's history, in 221 BC, China was unified under an emperor, ushering in more than 2 millennia of imperial dynasties, including the Qin, Han, Tang, Yuan, Ming, and Qing. After decades of Qing China on the decline, the 1911 revolution overthrew the Qing dynasty and the monarchy as well, and the Republic of China was established the following year. China is a unitary, one party socialist republic led by the Chinese Communist Party. China is known for its cuisine and culture, and as a mega diverse country, has 59 UNESCO World Heritage Sites, the second highest number, and Italy takes the crown as the country with the most UNESCO World Heritage Sites in the world, numbering 60. The word China has been used in English since the 16th century. However, it was not used by the Chinese themselves during this period. Its origin has been traced through Portuguese, Malay, and Persian back to the Sanskrit word China used in ancient India. As we walked back to our bus, we could see the beautifully laid roads of Beijing city and the orderly movement of the traffic, which was quite an interesting sight to observe. Thank you for watching this video, and we hope you enjoy it. Thank you.